morning and welcome back to the non-daily daily vlog. A few weeks ago my drone filters got stolen out of my bag in the plane, so I apologize if it's a bit dark. I have no more filters that I need to get. Today will be a busy day. Drone nearly got KO'd by some seagulls. Gotta watch out for the seagulls. It is 6 o'clock in the morning and we are on our way to the airport. Johannesburg is horrendous weather. We have got our little rental car, which is tiny but does the job. Now on our way to work, we have a meeting. Hopefully we make it in our little rental, and then off to Wits for Michaela's graduation this evening. Should be a good time. I feel like it's a constant theme of this vlog, is it's often pouring with rain and I'm often getting completely soaked. I've got to get to the Great Hall. It is raining outside, as one can see, and I have nothing to protect me from the rain. Should be fun.
Michaela Gomez.
So Michaela has gone in. We made it to her graduation at Wits. Good job on her. We're super proud of her. Glad I got to see her, take some photos with her beforehand. Now she's gone in. Sadly they only give us two tickets per family, so I couldn't get in. I'm going to try later, see if I can sneak in past security. Don't know if that'll work, but for now, until the graduation, I've got like 30 minutes to kill. And it's always nice to reminisce in the place that you studied. I haven't been to Wits in years, and I remember it being really cool. So it's nice to visit old memories in a way. So going for a nice stroll around Wits now. You know, the one thing about being here and reminiscing is I get this feeling of that I had in university, that anything is possible. Being at university, coming here every day, speaking to the people that you go to varsity with, people inspire you and they kind of give you the thought of you can be anything, you can achieve anything, just work for it. And it was such a beautiful thought, and like you could really speak to anyone about becoming anything and they would support you and just will you on. Where I feel that if you get to the working world, slowly but surely they kind of don't foster the same thought in a way. They put you in a box, they tell you you do this task, this is your deliverable, this is all you can be, and just be good at that. And over time, that feeling of the world's endless possibilities just diminishes. And I think even for myself, I've lost a bit of that thought. And revisiting this place and looking at the places I used to study, I used to talk, I used to bunk class at, reminds me of that feeling that I once had. And I'm very glad I came back here. It's very nice to reminisce and bring that part back that I think I've lost along the way. Sadly, there's a beautiful sunset breaking through the clouds, and I did not bring my drone from Cape Town, but I think I do have some old drone footage of a very sunny day at Wits, so the outro of this vlog will be some lovely drone footage. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm sorry for my very lack of uploading. I hope to get better at some stage, but yeah, if you enjoyed it, please give me a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you another day on the Not Daily vlog. Thank you for watching.